A few months ago, I got tired of looking at my bank account and feeling nothing. No motivation, no progress bar, no sense of leveling up, just a number that goes down every time rent is due. So I did something a little ridiculous. I turned my entire financial life into a video game with actual levels. Here's what that looked like. Level 1. Starter gear. In most RPGs, you don't start the real game with nothing. You start with basic equipment that keeps you alive. Financially, that's your emergency fund. Not an investment, not a flex, just armor. Without it, one bad hit, a medical bill, a layoff, and the run is over before it starts. Most people skip this level entirely and wonder why every random encounter feels like a boss fight. Level 2. Grinding XP. This is where most people spend the most time and get the least reward, because they're grinding the wrong dungeon. Staying at the same job for years without asking for a raise is like farming the same low-level enemies forever. You get some experience, but it's slow. Data on job switching is blunt about this. People who change jobs strategically see significantly faster wage growth than people who stay in one place out of comfort. Same hours grinding, different XP rate. Level 3. The skill tree. Eventually you have some gold saved, and you have to decide where to put your skill points. Stocks, real estate, a savings account, your own business. Every path has a different risk curve and a different payoff. Historically, the stock market has returned around 10% a year before inflation. A savings account pays a fraction of a percent. Putting all your points into the safest, lowest return tree isn't playing it safe. It's playing a build that can't actually win the late game. Level 4. Party members. Nobody clears the hardest content solo, and money is the same way. Get married, have a kid, and the game fundamentally changes. The average cost of raising a child to 18 in the US is well over $200,000. That's not a debuff you can ignore. It's a new set of mechanics, shared inventory, shared decisions, and usually a shared strategy that has to actually be discussed instead of assumed. Level 5. End game. This is the level almost nobody prepares for, because it feels impossibly far away right up until it isn't. The target most advisors recommend is somewhere around 10 times your final salary saved by the time you retire. Most people arrive at this level with a fraction of that. Under-geared, under-leveled, hoping the final boss goes easy on them. It doesn't. Here's what actually surprised me doing this. The game doesn't get easier as you level up. The stakes just get higher, and the mistakes get more expensive. But unlike most games, there's no respawn button here. Every level you skip, you're still standing on when the next boss fight starts. So, which level are you actually on right now, and are you geared for it?